In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Docs on your laptop and create a desktop shortcut for easy access. Let's dive right in and make your Google Docs experience even more seamless. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to google.com. This is the starting point for accessing all of your Google apps quickly. Once you're on the page, take a look at the top right corner beside your profile picture. You should see a grid icon made up of 9 dots. This is known as the Google Apps menu. Click on it and you'll find quick links to all the essential Google services. From the drop-down menu, locate the Google Docs icon and click on it. This will take you directly into the Google Docs environment where you can view all your existing documents or create new ones. It's a convenient way to jump right into your work without any hassle. Next, to create a desktop shortcut for Google Docs, which helps you access your documents with just one click from your desktop. Pay attention to the top right area where you see 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open more options. Within this menu, look for the option labeled Cache, Save, and Share. Clicking on this will provide you with a few more selections to choose from. One of these options will be Create Shortcut. Selecting it will prompt your browser to ask if you want to add Google Docs to your desktop. Confirm this action, and just like that, you've added a shortcut to your desktop. Once the shortcut is on your desktop, you might want to personalize its name to something memorable. Right-click on the shortcut icon and select Rename to enter a new name that best suits you. For instance, you might want to call it My Docs or Google Docs. This small personalization step can make a big difference, especially if you're managing multiple shortcuts on your desktop, and there you have it. In a few straightforward steps, you've not only accessed Google Docs, but also created a convenient shortcut on your computer's desktop. Now, you can open Google Docs directly from your desktop without needing to open a browser first. It's a simple way to enhance your productivity and keep your digital workspace organized. Creating a Google Docs shortcut is super easy and incredibly helpful for anyone frequently using Google's word processor. Consider repeating these steps for any other Google apps like Sheets or Slides if you find yourself using them often. This method truly simplifies your workflow by making valuable tools just a click away. That wraps up today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Enjoy your enhanced Google Docs experience, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.